guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. If it's the first time on this channel and you like what you see, just give us a subscription and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. So, as you know, I do kit catalogue page by page. I film them in HD. So it's best if you watch this video in the highest setting possible. So if you go to the cog, click quality and then click either 1080p and you'll see this in all of its glory. And it's also better if you can put this in full screen. Anything you like, just click pause and then continue after you've seen what's on that page. Anyways, let's start with the Airfix Kit Catalogue edition number 15 from 1978. Enjoy. So that was the Airfix Catalogue edition 15 from 1978. If you've built some of these kits, put them in the comments below. There's some fantastic pictures in here. You can see the space shuttle. I'll get it out in a minute. This one's just being released again this year, I believe, and I think it's all just been reboxed. But there's some amazing stuff that they did back in the day. I've really enjoyed looking through this catalogue, and I hope you have too. So, back to the start. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.